Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the reporter or the evangelist. Now, this is somebody who is a researcher, someone who reports on their findings. So a lot of the time you'll find that this kind of personality type will craft newsletters, they'll craft emails, they will use communication quite a lot when it comes to like outreach to different situations and different people. So what you're looking for with this kind of personality type is you're interested in learning about a certain core subject area. And what you'll do is you'll look into many different aspects of the subject area and you'll report your findings to the audience, give information to them, and basically help them to understand the subject at hand, and you will give your own personal findings on that. This is quite an interesting one because it's more scientific. This is the kind of personality type that can take a step back and analyze things and really sort of look at them in a scientific way. It's quite interesting, but not really an ideal personality type for most businesses. In many ways, when I'm doing blogging a lot, I take on the reporter function because I like to report on different things when I'm talking about them. So I know it sounds a bit weird, but whenever I'm talking about a specific subject in my blogs, things like that, it's very, very good because I can reference things and I can say, well, for example, these statistics on RF say XYZ about SEO, so I can move on and talk about that kind of stuff. So it's kind of good because you can then harness the work of other people and you can sort of add your own opinion to it. You can use your experience and the training that you've got in order to find out the best material to give to people so that they're going to benefit the most from your brand. Now, most businesses aren't going to want to go with this personality type, but it's important to mention it just in case. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.